Suena muy bien. So this is a very basic phrase. It's still good to learn these phrases, the easy ones, because you can add more to them. You can use them in different ways. So suena bien means that sounds great. Whatever you're talking about, that sounds great. Suena bien. So muy bien means very good. Muy bien, very good, but it's also similar to great. Okay. So if someone is asking your opinion on something, you can say muy bien. Great. It's great. Very good, or you can just say it as a positive thing, someone did something well. You can say muy bien. Great. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Suena comes from the verb sonar. Sonar. Okay, let me just put it here for you. Sonar. Sonar means to sound. Okay, when something sounds to sound very much. Sounds good, sounds bad. It has other meanings, but it could mean to look familiar or sound. It sounds familiar. I don't know if it sounds familiar. I don't think this is no, never mind. To look familiar or to be known. I think it's more like to be known. If something you're kind of familiar with, specific names, specifically names. ¿Te suena el nombre de Marta? Does the name Martha or Maria? I always say Maria. I don't know why I said Martha. Does does Martha sound familiar to you? The name sounds familiar. Okay, to ring a bell, Similar to that, it can mean to ring. El teléfono suena muy alto or muy hace ruido. That's different. El teléfono suena gracioso. The phone sounds funny. I don't know. Maybe they have a funny ringtone. I don't know. Okay, so sonar means to sound. That's what I wanted to say. I'm so sorry. Suena muy bien means that something sounds great, or that sounds great. So let's look at some examples using this phrase. Okay. So the first example is, oops, I have it all the way down here. Okay. Me gusta tu idea. Suena bien. Me gusta tu idea. Suena bien. This means I like your idea. That sounds great. Okay, so let's break this down. It's a very simple phrase, and this is a simple sentence as well. Okay, me gusta means I like. Okay, tú without the accent mark, so it doesn't have the accent mark on top of the letter U. When it doesn't have that, it means your. Okay, idea means idea. Same spelling, different pronunciation. Suena muy bien. Suena muy bien. That sounds great. Excellent. Me gusta tu idea. I like your idea. Suena muy bien. That sounds great. Excellent. Now, the next example. The next example is lo que dices suena muy bien. Lo que dices suena muy bien. This means what you're saying sounds great. So this is a bit different. We are saying, we're using the same phrase, but in a different way. So, lo, when you say this at the beginning of a sentence, it means what, okay? Lo que, specifically, those two means what. Lo que, what. Dices, tú dices, similar to saying you say, but also, I mean, technically you're saying you say, but it means you're saying, okay? Lo que dices, what you're saying, suena muy bien. Suena muy bien. Sounds great, okay? Lo que dices suena muy bien. What you're saying sounds great. So remember, this, you can use this phrase, of course, in a different way, in different ways. Specifically one here, you can say it as it is, suena muy bien, or you can add it to a sentence, or also you can add more. You can have something else here. Lo que dices, what you're saying, suena muy bien. Sounds great. Suena muy bien, easy phrase that means sounds great or that sounds great. And remember, you can easily add it to different sentences. Usually, well, you can say it at the beginning of a sentence. Suena muy bien tu idea. Your idea sounds great. So let me just show you here really quickly. Suena muy bien, and then you add a, for example, tu idea. And this means your idea sounds great. Okay, so it's a very different way to say pretty much the same thing. Me gusta tu idea. I like your idea. Or your idea sounds great. Suena muy bien tu idea. Or you can even say, tu idea suena muy bien. Okay? So you can have it at the beginning, the phrase, you can have it at the beginning or at the end of a sentence. Tu idea suena muy bien. Okay? So it's the same thing. Your idea sounds great. So it's a very flexible phrase that you can use. And yeah, you can use it in quite a few ways. And we learned a few. We learned a few ways to use this phrase. Excellent. Do you guys have any questions? Any questions?